We'll guide you through how to unlock the home screen layout on Android. As you can see, if I go and tap and hold this and try and move it, we go and get home screen layout is locked. So if you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because perhaps you want to go and reposition an app on your home screen, or you want to go and remove it. So for example, I could come here, I'll tap and hold on Spotify. If I go and press remove, we go and get it there as well. So we can go and turn this off and unlock it. We can then go and freely go and move the apps. Because as I said, you may want to go and customize it. This is much easier than you probably think, but make sure it's a full guide to exactly what you need to go and do. So to get started, what we're going to need to do is go and open up the settings on our device. So you want to go and swipe up like so, and we need to go and locate settings. So you need to go and swipe across here and go and find it. Usually it should be on the first page. If you can't go and find it, you can use the search bar at the top. You can go and see in this case though, the settings is over to the right here. So I can go and open up settings like so. There are going to be quite a few different options here, but don't worry, we'll guide you through what you're looking for. So you want to go and start scrolling down and you're looking for the option home screen. As you can see, there it is. If you can't go and find it, you can always go to the top right and you can press search. And then what you can do is go and type in home and it should then go and find it. It may take a moment. It's got a bit of time here to load. Then what you can do is come into home screen in home screen, as you can see. Now, what you need to do is go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for lock home screen layout. It says prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So what we can do here is go and switch this off. And now if I come out of here, if I go and tap and hold on an app and try and drag it, you can go and see I can now go and move it to my desired position. And what I could also do is go and find an app here, for example, Netflix, tap and hold on it. I could go and press remove and remove it. So there we go. We've now successfully gone and unlocked it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with another guide. Goodbye for now.